Hello there! Today I will show you how to turn this little piece of wood into simple shelf like this. I have this little piece of wood left from another project. It's a little bit too big, so we will have to cut it first. Let's mark our dimensions. In my case it will be 21 centimeter. Using a simple handsaw we will cut it along this line. Now, when the board is our size that we need, let's work on it with a sandpaper. What I want to do here is to round these corners a bit to be more similar like these corners here. I will take some sandpaper, some wood block, just to have flat surface here for sanding. And let's work on it. Before painting we will degrease with acetone, just a little bit, very lightly, just to remove the dust. I will start painting from the bad side. Bad side, I mean the side that will be down and nobody will see. My shelf is going to be like that. Nobody will actually see that side. I will paint this part first and I will put it upside down and I will continue painting nicely. So it depends on the paint that you will use, but what I would recommend is to paint along the grain of the wood, like I'm doing now. When the first layer dries, we can apply a second layer. Now, when our shelf is painted, dry, nice, perfect, we are ready to install it on that wall. I plan to put it somewhere here, just above the plug and switch, in the level of the bed. I will use simple support to attach it to the wall. Quite simple, just to support our shelf. It's not going to hold any big loads, nothing heavy, just a simple support from your local hardware store will do the job. Made in China. I think everything is done in China these days, no? So let's prepare the tools and install this shelf. Let's not forget to cover the bed for not spoiling it with dust from drilling. I'm going to measure the height where I want to put my shelf. I will mark the holes for attaching the supports. Made in China. Perfect. Voila, the shelf is attached. So here it is, the piece of wood that maybe you were thinking to throw away will serve as a nice bedside shelf for putting your books, your mobile phone, glasses, whatever you may need. Leave a comment for me to know if this video was a bit useful for you. Hope it helps you in finding your own ideas for using some wood or other materials that you may thought to throw away. There is always a way to give a second life to something, you know. Also hit like and subscribe if you want to see more similar videos on this channel. See you in another one. Bye!